Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Are you tired of struggling to apply false eyelashes? Have you ever ended up with a mess of glue all over your eyelids? Well, you're not alone. But don't worry, in this video, I'll be sharing with you tips and tricks on how to apply false eyelashes like a pro. Step 1, choose the right lashes. One of the most important things to consider when choosing false lashes is the length and thickness. You want to choose a pair that suits the shape of your eyes and the look you're going for. If you're looking for a more natural look, opt for shorter and thinner lashes. For a dramatic look, choose longer and thicker lashes. Step 2, prepare your natural lashes. Before applying false lashes, make sure your natural lashes are clean and dry. You can use an eyelash curler to curl them to give them a lift. You can also apply some mascara to provide a base for the false lashes to stick onto. Step 3, apply glue to the lashes. Apply a thin layer of glue along the lash line of the false lashes. Wait for a few seconds for the glue to become tacky. This will help the lashes stick onto your natural lashes better. Step 4, apply the lashes. Using tweezers or your fingers, carefully place the false lashes as close to your lash line as possible. Starting from the middle and pressing the edges down to ensure that they are properly secured. Step 5, finishing touches. After applying the lashes, use a spoolie brush to blend your natural lashes with the false lashes. You can also apply a coat of mascara to ensure that they are uniform. There you have it, applying false lashes can be easy and hassle-free. Just remember to choose the right lashes, prepare your natural lashes, apply glue, and carefully apply them. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. We post new videos twice daily, so don't miss out.